y'all. So last week on my video, we organized our files using what we had on hand and just getting my stuff out of my Life notebook and into a little filing system that has definitely worked much better for me than my Life notebook. It's been so much easier to just go in and just put the stuff in the little files where they go, like my paperwork. I just drop it in where it needs to go, and then I don't have to worry about it, and it's taken care of. I ended up wanting to get some folders so I could keep better track of what I was doing, because there's some stuff, some information that I knew that I needed to have for if I ever needed to call somebody or need to redo payments, or if I had any questions. So today I'm going to go through what I did with that. Starting out, these are some of my supplies that I have. I have my folders, and then I have my hanging folders, and then I have some pens and a pencil. I have post-it notes because I love post-it notes, and I have some envelopes because I mail stuff, and then my labels. What I include in my files is my account number, because they always ask you for your account number when you're calling, and it's just easier to have it on hand. I have my username and password, and I have a phone number that I know I can reach somebody at. I have the website, and if it's like a car note or a house note, I also have my payment amount and my due date on there. These things are just so handy. I write them in the cover of the file, so I'm not having to sort through paperwork to find the information I need. So that's it. I hope you found this video interesting and helpful in some way. I would love to know how you handle your daily paperwork and what you do with your files, and if you write anything else in your folders to help you. Again, thank you for watching, and I can't wait to hear from you.